Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify account. Let's go. First, open your browser. Then go to spotify.com. In this step, please click on Sign Up. In the first box, you should enter your email address. Then, please enter your email address again. After that, create your password. Then, enter your profile name. Please enter your birthday. For example, this is month, this is day, and this is year. Then, please choose your gender. If you want to share your data with Spotify's content, you should check this box. Then, select I'm not a robot. This is a small test to find out that you are not a robot. Then, click on Verify. Please click on Sign Up. Well done. Now you have a new Spotify account. Let's go to Profile. Then select Account. So, this is your username. And this is also your email and date of birth and country or region. And you can edit your profile anytime. And there is a lot of options here. For example, you can change your password. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe this YouTube channel.